This is a special weather statement. The National Weather Service has issued a windy condition advisory had been issued for Pensacola, Florida, effective until the following next day. The following message is transmitted at the request of Escambia County Emergency Management. People came in reporting that they have been infected by an unknown virus, then, a few seconds later, they die automatically. It is unknown what is this type of virus, but all residents in Escambia County are strongly advised to stay cautious. This message will repeating, a contagious diseases warning has been issued for Escambia County until further notice.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Emergency Management. A riot has been triggered in downtown Chicago. This is mainly caused by an unknown virus in Pensacola, Florida. Do not participate in the riots as you will be arrested and charged if you do. Anyone who joined in the riots would result in getting arrested with no questions. This unknown virus only has symptoms. These include sneezing, coughing, fatigue, sweating, vomiting, muscle joint, and stomach ache. The CDC will try their hardest to find a cure. Make sure you stay tuned.
We interrupt with the normal program. This is a national emergency, and important details will follow. Please stand by. At approximately around 1:12 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, an unknown virus has been confirmed by the CDC. This type of disease is Black Plague. Black Plague occurred right around hundreds of years ago, and this disease is so deadly that once you've been infected by this, you will automatically die within a matter of seconds. Reports came in about the Black Plague is spreading everywhere in the following states: Maine, Pennsylvania, Illinois, Florida, Texas, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, Montana, Idaho, Indiana, Ohio, Delaware, Georgia, Michigan, New York, and Rhode Island. Anyone in these states is strongly advised to seek shelter now. More than 100,000 deaths have been reported as well. Please seek shelter now. This station will not remain in the air, as this plague is spreading everywhere. Please stay in your shelter and do not go outside in any ways.